In this video I am going to tell you how to add text graphics in your Kinemaster videos. So first you need to open any video in the Kinemaster application, then click on that video, and after that you need to just scroll down and go to clip graphics. Okay, now you have many graphics here already, pre-made templates for graphic. You can just click on basic text effect or any effect you want to add in your videos. For example, I want this elegant effect. I can just click on this and add any text, for example my name. Now this text will be added. I can just go back and play the video. Okay, now the text is applied on the video. You can just go again to this, go to this, and if you don't want this you can just click on this. This is animated effect. This is also animated effect. You have many animated effects. Okay, so you can just click on this. You have these effects as well, comic effects. You have many effects you can use and try all these.